Greetings, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Tuesday, March the 9th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check see where we're at the market here today. So SPX, wow, monthly chart is back to green again, looking like a hammer so far. Still an inside week. Daily chart, though, getting a push over yesterday's highs was really important to get that tail fail push to the upside. Now we just need some volume. So let's see, bullish volume, right? So let's see if SPY can actually kind of step up here today and get going. So S&P futures, guys, followed our game plan really nicely here this morning, right? We were talking about getting over the overnight highs so we could get through yesterday's poor high, right? We talked about this. This is an important level. We got a nice momentum move through there, very, very tradable to get to the next level. So we're kind of consolidating up here into the afternoon. Volume's kind of tapering off, but it did give us a nice push this morning. It looks like we're working on a larger wave up, which we've been talking about. Let's take a look at the MES here again, holding the geometric line here all morning. So let's see if that continues to hold going into today. Again, the tech tantrum may be over, right? So we're holding up pretty nicely right here on the Qs this morning. Again, a couple nice moves here today. Names like Apple and Tesla. It's a couple of our favorite names to trade. Tesla gave us some good opportunities here today. The IWM, let's take a look at this one here this morning. Again, still grinding up and holding its levels as well. Now, the real tricky thing going into today, we talked about this in the bubble report, was this, right? The XLF, right? So this has generally been pretty strong recently, but started to pull back and break down its geometric line here this morning. But a nice rally, and this rally really started to give that extra oomph to the market here this morning, which was really nice, right? So good stuff there. Let's take a look at Apple and show you what we're looking at here this morning. One of our members actually pointed out a bullish harmonic on this one from yesterday. We're getting some nice follow-through on that today. This gave us a setup here this morning, a nice 15-hour breakout here once it cleared the pre-market levels. Look at this beautiful candle right here, increased volume. We got long on that one, and if anybody held, it still held its ADMA here on the 5-minute chart on that bull flag and ended up getting up to the fill its closing gap there. Again, we provide those levels to our members. So that was a nice one as well. And also Tesla. So Tesla with a nice push here this morning. We pointed this out in the group here in the live stream this morning for a nice move, nice inside day breakout. One of our members actually found it kind of breaking out of the 15-hour high, and I was like, well, if we break out of the inside day high, let's go. And this gave a nice move right here, a nice momentum move up here. It could be forming a bull flag into the afternoon, so keep an eye on that one. Another one that we pointed out this morning with relative strength was Piton. This was kind of on the top of our list here today and just continued to grind its way up. It's tricky with the options, but it did make a nice move. Oxy was on our bearish radar this morning. That got some downside follow through this morning. And Solo, keep this on your radar going into tomorrow. If this thing can hold up well here today with a nice triangle, it might get some more upside going into tomorrow. So definitely keep that on the radar too. So a couple more requests out there. We've got Fubo. Really appreciate these. So Fubo is kind of chopping around here this morning. Double inside day so far, so that's going to be a really interesting one to keep an eye on here. NEO was nice today as well. It's actually forming a, I think we were down yesterday. I can't remember. We closed 52. We opened at 56. Yeah. So this looks like a Morningstar reversal so far. If we can close strong here today, that would be a nice one on NEO. So definitely want to keep an eye on there. SPCE, again, kind of grinding its way up here too. So see if it can get above the ADMA here in the next couple days. Zoom is generally on our bearish radar right here, but it is holding some key levels. So inside days so far. So see if that can get any follow through the upside. PLTR, double inside days so far at the ADMA. See if that can push. Snow, again, inside day as well. We're seeing a lot of kind of choppiness here in a lot of these names. AMC, guys, and we talked about it last night, is on our bullish radar too. Obviously, I wouldn't trade it into earnings, but it did get a nice gap up here this morning too. And GME, this is one of our favorite, at least charts that we saw yesterday. Beautiful increasing volume right here, closed above its recent pivot level, and not surprised to see it follow through and tag the top of the cloud on that one. So great finds there, guys. All right, guys. Well, I really appreciate the requests. I hope everybody's an awesome rest of the trading day today. We'll see you guys in the market wrapping. Until then, stay healthy out there and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.